Stop swelling fast. 8 collagen-boosting fruits every senior should eat daily. If your legs feel stiff, your knees swell, or your joints crack with every step, it's not just getting older. It's your body crying out for something it's missing. Collagen. Most people have no idea that certain fruits can actually help your body rebuild collagen naturally. No pills, powders, or expensive supplements required. In this video, I'll reveal 8 powerful fruits that fuel your body with the nutrients needed to keep your joints strong, reduce swelling, and help you move with youthful energy, no matter your age. 1. Amla, the collagen powerhouse. If you struggle with swelling or stiffness in your legs or joints, Amla, Indian gooseberry, could be your secret weapon. This tiny fruit is bursting with vitamin C, up to 20 times more than an orange. Why is that important? Because vitamin C is the key nutrient your body uses to make collagen, the protein that cushions your joints and keeps your skin, muscles, and tendons strong. Amla also contains unique compounds like ellagic acid and polyphenol, which protect existing collagen from breaking down, especially during inflammation or aging. The result? Less stiffness, reduced swelling, and smoother, pain-free movement. Scientific studies show that people who consume Amla regularly experience up to a 30% drop in joint swelling and improved mobility. Try adding Amla powder to warm water each morning or blending it into a smoothie. It's a natural, simple way to keep your joints happy and flexible. Have you ever tried Amla before? Let me know in the comments below. 2. Pomegranate, the inflammation fighter. Pomegranates aren't just delicious. They're packed with powerful antioxidants like punicalagins and polyphenol that calm inflammation, one of the biggest triggers of joint pain and swelling. They're also rich in vitamin C, which supports collagen production and keeps your joints, skin, and tissues resilient. In one study, people who drank pomegranate juice daily saw a 30% decrease in inflammation markers in just 6 weeks. Pomegranates also improve circulation, helping reduce swelling and fluid buildup in the legs, while delivering oxygen and nutrients faster to sore joints. Enjoy the seeds as a snack, sip the juice, or take a supplement. Either way, your joints will thank you. 3. Sea buckthorn, the hidden gem for joints. Sea buckthorn berries may be small, but they're packed with vitamin C, vitamin E, and omega-7 fatty acids, a rare nutrient combination that supports collagen formation and keeps your skin and joint tissues hydrated. These berries have strong anti-inflammatory properties that calm overactive pathways linked to arthritis and joint stiffness. They also help maintain the flexibility of cartilage, the natural cushion between your bones. Adding sea buckthorn, fresh, dried, or as a supplement, to your diet can reduce stiffness, ease swelling, and improve overall mobility. With consistent use, many people find they can move more freely and comfortably, even after years of joint discomfort. 4. Pineapple, the natural pain reliever. Pineapple isn't just a sweet tropical fruit. It's rich in bromelain, a natural enzyme known to reduce inflammation and support smoother movement. Bromelain breaks down proteins that cause irritation and swelling in your tissues, making it especially beneficial for sore knees and stiff joints. To get the most benefit, eat fresh pineapple, especially the core, where bromelain is most concentrated. Canned pineapple loses much of its healing power during processing. So next time you crave something sweet, choose fresh pineapple. It's delicious and naturally soothing for your joints. 5. Camu, the vitamin C superstar. From the Amazon rainforest comes one of nature's most potent vitamin C sources, camu. This small berry contains up to 60 times more vitamin C than oranges. That means more collagen support, faster healing, and stronger, more flexible joints. Camu also contains natural flavonoids and polyphenol that fight inflammation and help your body protect existing collagen. Adding camu powder or juice to your diet can help relieve stiffness, swelling, and daily joint discomfort. It's a simple way to strengthen your legs and move with ease again. 6. Baobab, the tree of life fruit. Known as the tree of life, baobab fruit is loaded with vitamin C, 10 times more than oranges, plus calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants that protect your joints from damage. Vitamin C builds collagen, calcium and magnesium keep bones strong and muscles relaxed, and antioxidants fight the free radicals that destroy connective tissue. By calming inflammation, baobab helps ease joint pain and stiffness naturally. Mix it into smoothies or sprinkle the powder into your tea. It's an easy way to give your joints the nutrients they've been craving. 7. Papaya, the gentle healer. Papaya is a tropical gift for anyone struggling with inflammation. It contains papain, a digestive enzyme that breaks down proteins causing inflammation, helping your body absorb nutrients more efficiently for collagen repair. Papaya also provides beta-carotene, which turns into vitamin A, essential for skin elasticity and strong connective tissue. Gentle on the stomach and easy to digest, papaya is perfect for seniors. Eat it fresh, blend it into smoothies, or mix it with yogurt to enjoy its soothing, collagen-supporting benefits. 8. Kiwi, the tiny fruit with big power. Don't underestimate this little green fruit. Kiwi is a collagen-building champion. It contains more vitamin C per gram than oranges and is rich in vitamin E and antioxidants that shield your collagen from damage. Just half a kiwi a day can boost collagen production, strengthen ligaments, and improve blood circulation, helping deliver nutrients faster to inflamed joints and reduce swelling. Adding kiwi to your daily diet is a quick, tasty way to keep your joints flexible, pain-free, and youthful. Final thoughts. If you're tired of waking up with swollen legs, stiff joints, and constant discomfort, these 8 collagen-rich fruits can make a real difference. By including amla, pomegranate, sea buckthorn, pineapple, camu, baobab, papaya, and kiwi in your diet, you're giving your body what it needs to rebuild, repair, and move with confidence again. Nature has already given us everything we need to heal, we just have to use it. So start adding these fruits to your routine, and in just a few weeks, you may notice your legs feeling lighter, your joints moving easier, and your energy returning. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss natural health tips like these. And don't forget to share it with a friend who struggles with swelling or joint pain. One small change could transform their life. Stay strong, stay active, and remember, your body has the power to heal itself. See you in the next video.